Hi guys, it's Rachel here, and we are here with Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. Now, I'm not going to get any stitching done today because it's actually Friday and I am not going to be here on Sunday or tomorrow. And I didn't get it done today. I tried really hard but just couldn't get to it. So I just thought I'd update you quickly what I've done because I have been working on it. So I've got a few little bits in there. I must get cracking and get those done. I'm just trying to, finish the bits off. I've done all these leaves. I do need to do the stems and finish the roses, and I think I'm going to outline. I think I'm going to outline in a DMC in those. I did these flowers. I absolutely love them. I had planned on just outlining them and leaving them white, and then I had this variegated thread, and I just decided to do that, and I love it. I'll show you the other ones down further. I'm changing the color of these flowers to this purpley sort of color because I've got a lot of pink in this and I wanted some other colors. And I love that, how it's turning out. So still got to work in there. I did, maybe I can zoom you in a little bit. Oh, I just love it. I did this tulip with the yellows, a couple of different threads. I did outline it and absolutely love how that turned out. I'm going to do these flowers like that. I think they'll be bigger ones, but I'm going to do them like those. So I'm going to change it so that I've got that over there because I love the look of it. And then I did these down here. So these took me a whole evening of watching multiple episodes of 24. So Steph's favorite series is 24. No, his favorite series is Breaking Bad, but 24 is a close one as well. We've watched it about 6 times, the whole 9 or 10 seasons, however many seasons there are. Every like 4 years or 3 or 4 years, we start from, we don't love the first season, so we didn't watch the first season. We usually start on the second one. Can't remember anything, and so we go through all the seasons again. I think we're up to season 6 now. So that's what I've been doing. That's when I do my stitching, and I look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? Love how they turned out. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to do those ones over here. I'm going to do those like that. So that's where I'm at. My jug is still in the status quo. Still got to finish that one. I've done more cantha. I've done, you probably can't see it, I've only got a couple more rows of the tablecloth here to do the cantha on. Not actually, just 2 more rows probably, and then that's done. Oh, I've got to do this bit over here. I haven't done this yet. There's no canthering over here. I'll get that done. And then as you know, I've got to do the vertical, and I've still got to finish working on this. So that is where I'm at. So it's also Mother's Day in Australia. I'm not sure about I'm not sure about the rest of the world. So I'm going to wish all the mamas a happy Mother's Day. And I don't know if Sass will get her video done because she's going down to see Mum. So who knows? And yep, so no stitching this week. I'm doing it all off camera because I've still got to finish my plate, but that won't take me too long. And I'm slowly trying to get work done in here, which is hard going. Like in here, for some reason, I must have so many layers of fabric. I don't know what it is, but it is so tough. Like that was several episodes of 24, maybe 3 hours just to do that. And I didn't finish. I had to stop, because I'm using my pliers. So in there is really tough, and then other bits aren't. I don't know. I haven't done that bit in there either. I just avoiding it because it's so strong, tough, the thing. But anyway, that is where I'm at with my project. I'm loving it, and I need to get crack-a-lackin'. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful Mother's Day, if it's Mother's Day and where you are, even if it's not. And I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.